and back to the tutorial for operating system. Today we will see the topic called memory management and degree of multiprogramming in operating system. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing the exams like GATE, UGC and so on. Please kindly check the playlist and video sequence when I doubt. Let's go questions today. So memory management in operating system means what? That you can say directly is a method or functionality to manage different types of memory. Moreover, these are considered or it's a method of managing primary memory or RAM. See, moreover, CPU here, CPU is not connected with the secondary memory directly because the speed of secondary memory is very low in the comparison CPU, and moreover, here the program presents the second memory. In order to execute, we have to load them in the RAM. From RAM, they will be sent to the CPU and get executed. So this is called degree of multiprogramming, and with the goal. What is the goal of memory? Goal of this means efficient utilization memory. Efficiently use the efficient utilization memory. Let's see with the simple diagram where we get clarity. So we have a simple diagram given with CPU, register, cache, RAM, and so on. RAM with the secondary process. So we are not bothered about the RAM and cache. So what will happen whenever we have a laptop whatever device, there will be CPU will start execute the process. Where it comes, let's assume that the process P1, P2, P3, P4 in the second memory. What will happen when P1 will move to the RAM when you start execute, then from the primary memory that is RAM, then it start execute. Moreover, the process, whenever the process P1 execute, it will be having two parts. One is called CPU, the process in the CPU, one more is called IO operation. That's the concept. Let's say example of a process one. Let's say we have to do C programming, Java, whatever that. The secondary memory come to RAM, start execute with the help of CPU and so on. And more here IO operation. Let's say that take a printout. That's in the IO operation. So whatever whenever the process in the printout stage, remaining time it should be wait for some time like that. Okay, let's see some example where we will get more clarity, numerical and solve it. Say there will be now the question is, let's assume that how many processes in the RAM. The question asked here. That means let's assume that there will be a RAM with a size of 4 MB and a processor 4 MB. So totally 4 by 4 it will become 1. How many processes in the RAM means? We can say and calculate with for the formula K, that is time to perform IO operation. Okay, let's assume that the time to perform IO operation that is 70%. So what about CPU utilization? CPU utilization we can say 1 minus K, that is 1 minus 70 become 30%. Let's say example 2, RAM size is 8 MB and process 4 MB. Then number of processes become 8 by 4 is equal to 2 MB here. Or we can say K square. Now the CPU utilization is what? 1 minus K square, that is approximately 76%. On example 3, let's have a RAM size is 16 MB and process will be 4 MB only. Then what will happen? The number of processes here 16 by 4 and K power 4. Now CPU utilization is 1 minus K power 4, that is 94% approximately. So as you know, what you learn from here, whenever CPU start execute the program from the RAM, that is called degree of multiprogramming. And moreover, whenever the RAM or the RAM performance increases, same time CPU utilization also increasing automatically. This is a thing you have to know. And moreover, if you want to go deeply, you have to know about later memory management technique that we discuss in the upcoming session. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with our social media, following social media. Thank you. Please, if you like the video, please share it. Thank you.